Hi, welcome. If you've made it this far, I assume your Meta Business Manager isn't eligible for verification. In this short video, I'll show you how to unlock this section in just a few simple steps to start verifying your business on Meta. First, we go to the Business Info section of our Meta Business Manager. Here, we need to update all the information related to our company, specifically the legal name, address, phone number, and website. Very important. The website must be an active and accessible site because Meta will use this information to approve or deny the business verification in the second phase of the process. Once we've updated and saved this information, we need to go to callbell.eu and create a new account. In the description of this video, you'll find the direct link to create an account. Once logged into your Callbell account, click on WhatsApp Cloud. Next, click on Add Channel and rename this channel to Meta Business. And then click on this blue button. This pop-up will open. Log in with the Facebook account that administers the Meta Business Manager you want to unlock. Then click on Continue. In this section, you need to select the business manager you want to unlock. Make sure all details, especially the company website, are correct and click on Continue. What we're doing in this procedure is simulating the creation of a WhatsApp Business API account to unlock the button that will allow us to verify our company. So in this section, you need to click on Continue. Let's rename these two sections to Meta Test, and for the category, let's select Others. Click on Continue. Once you click, two possible scenarios can happen. The first is that Meta asks you to enter your own phone number to use with WhatsApp, and the second is that Meta offers you a number for free. If you have the second option, select it. Otherwise, like in my case, you'll need to enter a phone number to use with WhatsApp. In this second case, I recommend getting a phone number that hasn't been used before for WhatsApp or WhatsApp East. Once you've entered the phone number, you can choose to receive a verification OTP code via SMS or phone call. In my case, I select SMS and click Continue. Enter the verification code you received and click Next. Click on Continue and wait a few seconds. On the last screen, you'll see this banner and you need to click Finish. To complete the procedure, you will need to return to your Callbell account. The Connect button will become clickable. So to proceed, click on Connect. With this final step, the unlocking procedure is completed to start the verification of your Meta Business Manager. If we go to the Security Center section of our Business Manager, we will find a verification button that will allow us to start the business verification procedure of our Meta Business Manager. Finally, I take advantage of this video to talk to you about Callbell. Callbell is a tool designed for companies that allows managing instant messaging applications like WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Instagram, or Telegram on a corporate level. Thanks. Now you will have access to a shared inbox with various access levels and permissions that will allow you to better manage conversations with your customers from these channels. With Callbell, you can build chatbots to automate messaging applications and create business processes that are smooth and efficient. You can also create broadcast campaigns on WhatsApp and Telegram and get a global overview thanks to the statistics module. If you're interested in a tool like this, I recommend trying our free 7-day trial. Since you already have a connected WhatsApp API number, just invite your collaborators and fully test all the capabilities of our platform. For anything, you can contact us directly on our site by messaging us on WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful and see you next time. Bye.